Hello everyone, welcome to this video about shop safety while using PLCs. This will correlate with the PowerPoint for shop safety. It's going to talk about a little bit about the AC and DC power for the actual control circuit on the PLC control circuit. Alright, and I highly recommend that you guys go through and check out that link in the PowerPoint for the safety relay website. Okay. So here's the circuit, okay, and a lot of this you guys should be familiar with. First off, we have our control transformer that's going to provide isolation. On the line side, on the primary side of that, H1, H2, you should see a 208 volt power from line 1 and 2, or line 2 and 3, so forth and so on. That will be three-phase power that comes out of your disconnect. From there, you're going to move to the secondary side of the transformer. That's going to be X1 and X2. That's going to produce 120 volts. Alright, so our control circuit will be 120 volts AC. We have a two-position E-stop, which is a push-pull type. That's the one that we have in shop. Okay, and then we have our stop, our start, to our safety relays coil. Using the three-wire control method with the holding contact or the sealing contact. Alright, so two things. If we have an emergency condition, we should be able to depress that E-stop and it'll sound off the pilot light, buzzer, whatever we might have attached there. Okay, that's going to not allow us to restart our output card or re-energize our output card even if we press start 100 times. Okay, if you reset that E-stop, at that point you'll be able to hit the start button, sealing this contact, energizing that safety relay, and sending power over to the output card. Alright, so the way our output card works is it's not going to produce its own 24 volts. We need to bring it 24 volts. That power will be used to energize solid state relays that will switch the 120 volt power that we have available in our control circuit. So although much of this is similar to what you guys do in lab, there's a little bit of a difference. Okay, so these two circuits, this being the control circuit, essentially for the safety relay, and then the DC power supply is what we're actually going to be considering as our power circuit, if you will. Alright, so we're going to have line 1 and neutral wired up at 120 volts AC. On the other side of that, or the output side of that, will be a 24 volt DC negative and positive output. We're going to go from the positive terminal of that DC power supply through a normally open safety relay contact and to the positive VBC terminal on the output card. From there, it will internally send power to output 0, 1, 2, so forth and so on, all the way to output, I believe it's 16 total. So 15 would be the final number on that. Alright, I hope this video was useful to you guys. I look forward to seeing your posts in the discussion. Thanks for watching.